Hello student, this is the question GATE 2013, 4 marks. This is a link question. A relation R has 8 attribute, total 8 attribute is given, and R contain only atomic values, means all the attribute are atomic, and these are the FD set is given. CS tends to G, A tends to BC, B tends to CFS, E tends to A, and F tends to EG. Getting my point? Is the set of FDs, and F is exactly the set of FDs hold on R. First question, how many candidate key does the relation R have? Means this is the relation R, and what is the maximum number of candidate key possible in R? And second question is the relation R is in. So first we find the candidate keys. So we will discuss the candidate key. When we take the closure of E, then we are getting A, B, C, and from B you are getting F, H, and from F you are getting E, G. Means D is not a part of FD, so you make a part of candidate key also. So first candidate key is AD is candidate key. Getting my point? Now what is the list of prime attribute? D comma A. Getting my point? And what is the procedure to find the multiple candidate key? First we find only one candidate key. Getting my point? Then if any possibility, if any X attribute determine the prime attribute, then you can say multiple candidate key are possible. So we find first candidate key, that is AD. मैं इसको भी यहाँ इरेज कर रहा हूँ ताकि अपन इसको आगे मल्टीपल कैंडिडेट की फाइंड करना सीखें. So we find the we write here that prime attribute is D and A. Now we will check A is determined by anyone. Yes, E tends to A, means you can replace the A with the help of E. Now the next candidate key is ED. Getting my point? ED is my candidate key. I write here, first one is AB, second one is AD, and second one is ED, and the prime attribute is E, and A is determined nothing. Now we will check the E. E is determined by F. Getting my point? E is determined by F. The next candidate key is FD. Getting my point? Here we write the F. E का काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है, अपन E को भी दोबारा और चेक करेंगे क्या E किसी से आ रहा है और नहीं. उसके बाद अपन चेक करेंगे F. F means F is determined by any X attribute or not? Yes, F is determined by B. So next candidate key is BD. And here we write the attribute B. F का काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है, अभी अपन F को और चेक करेंगे. Yes. Now we will check B. B is determined by A, or AD is candidate key which I already taken. So in this relational schema there are 4 candidate key. Getting my point? And next question is the relation R is in, means which normal form में होगा. पहली चीज we can determine the candidate key, so it R is in 1NF. Now we are talking about the 2NF. We have to check proper subset of candidate key to known key attribute. So what is the known key attribute? These are the key attribute, and बाकी remaining attribute is non key attribute. Getting my point? C is non key attribute. C is non key attribute. H is also non key attribute, and you can see any more also. Here what will happen? B tends to CFH. First one is B tends to CFS. It means B tends to C, B tends to F, and B tends to H according to the decomposition rule. And here you can see that is proper subset of one candidate key to proper subset of candidate key to non key attribute. Proper subset of candidate key to non key attribute, that is B tends to H. Getting my point? Clear है? And F tends to G is also make a proper subset of candidate key से non key attribute. Getting my point? So the relational schema R is in 1NF but not in 2NF. Why not in 2NF? Because this make a partial dependency. Here B tends to H make a partial dependency, and F tends to G is also make a partial dependency. Getting my point? So first this, in this we are getting a 4 candidate key, but in this asking about the number कि how many number of candidate key, that is 4. Clear है? एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इसी का जो लिंक क्वेश्चन था इसमें because there is a partial dependencies exist. I already told 2 partial dependencies exist, or more than 2 also partial dependency, but we find the first 2 partial dependency. If any one partial dependency, then not in 2NF. So the answer is 1NF, but not in 2NF. Okay, getting my point? Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.